Miss Ranjana is a teacher in class 7. She always uses Microsoft Excel to record the marks obtained by the students in each semester. One day, the school management asked Ranjana to send a consolidated report of students' performance in the first 2 semesters. For example, they wanted to know how much did Kavya score in maths in each semester. Miss Ranjana has maintained separate worksheets for each semester. Do you think she can consolidate the data from 2 different worksheets? Yes, Microsoft Excel can help Miss Ranjana to consolidate various ranges of data either in same or different worksheets. Consolidation means combining data. For example, your mark sheet is a consolidation of the marks you have received in all your subjects. Now let us look at the steps that Miss Ranjana should follow to consolidate the data from different worksheets. To consolidate data from different worksheets, Miss Ranjana needs to first group the worksheets. Grouping will allow Miss Ranjana to enter common data, formatting effects and formulas. This is how it is done. She has to press and hold down the Shift key and click the Sheet 3 tab. Now, Miss Ranjana will have to enter the main heading, field names and subheadings as shown. Now, she right-clicks on one of the Grouped Sheet tab and selects the Ungroup option. Next, she clicks on Sheet 3 and selects the cell in which the first cell of the consolidated table should appear. Next, she clicks the Data menu and selects the Consolidate option. The Consolidate dialog box appears. Miss Ranjana has to consolidate the marks obtained by students in Semester 1 and Semester 2. So, she selects the Sum function from the list box. Next, she clicks the Collapse button in the reference text box to select the data from the concerned sheets. Next, she clicks the Sheet 1 tab and selects the data range from cell C3 to F10. She then clicks the Add button. The cell reference is added in the All References text box. Similarly, she clicks on Sheet 2 tab and selects the data range from cell C3 to F10. When she clicks on Add button, the cell reference gets added in the All References text box. Finally, Miss Ranjana clicks the OK button in the Consolidate dialog box. As you can see, the consolidated marks scored by students in Semester 1 and Semester 2 are displayed on Sheet 3. Hope you understood the steps to consolidate the data. Now, let us understand how to use Goal Seek in Microsoft Excel. But before that, we need to know what is Goal Seek. Imagine, in your exam paper, you get questions that are of 1 mark, 2 marks and 10 marks. While preparing for the exams, you might have wondered, what if I attempt the 10 marks questions first? I will at least be able to obtain more marks even if the smaller questions are not solved. Or, what if I attempt the smaller questions first? I will at least be able to spend more time answering the longer ones. This what-if analysis is called Goal Seek in Microsoft Excel. It allows you to fix a specific result for one cell by adjusting the value in another cell. Let us now explore the steps to use a goal seek feature in Microsoft Excel. First, enter the data in the worksheet. In this example, data of 3 products, product A, B, and C, and its estimated sales revenue, profit percentage, and profit is considered. Let us find out the profit and profit percentage of product C if the total target profit of all the 3 products is set to 1,50,000 rupees. First, let's find the profit earned from sales of product C using trial and error method. Let's consider the profit percentage of product C as 6%. This gives us the profit earned from sale of product C as 24,000 and the total profit becomes 1,14,000 rupees. But we want the total targeted profit to be 1,50,000 rupees. So, let's consider the value of profit percentage of product C to be greater than 6%. Let's consider the profit percentage to be 20. If we take the profit percentage as 20, the profit value of C will become 80,000 and the total profit will become 1,70,000, which is greater than the targeted profit. We can continue to assume different values of profit of product C till we obtain the total profit to be 1,50,000 rupees. This trial method is time-consuming process. To avoid such a scenario, we will use the goal seek feature. Let's see how to use the goal seek feature. Click the What If Analysis tab under Data Tools menu and select the Goal Seek option. The Goal Seek dialog box appears. Next, we need to define the cell address on which the goal seek is to be applied. Here in this example, it is cell D5. Now, type the value to be changed in the To Value section. In this example, the target value, that is the profit, should be set as 1,50,000 rupees. Next, select the By Changing cell. Here you need to select C4 as the By Changing cell, which is the profit value of product C. This value will automatically change to get the total profit as 1,50,000 rupees. Click the OK button. Goal Seek Status dialog box appears stating the target and current values. Now click the OK button. Here you can observe that to achieve the total target profit of rupees 1,50,000, product C will contribute a profit of rupees 60,000 at the rate of 15% on sales. Let us summarize what you have learnt in this video.